our BSR record changer, and this is what happens during a typical cycle. This is where the arm would be, and this is the trip lever right here. The back part, this post on the back of the arm underneath, comes over here as the record's playing and pushes the trip lever, which in turn pushes this little part right here until it gets to the trip out groove. This, as you can see, knocks that little bar into the gear at the bottom of the turntable, starting the trip out. The trip starts by going counterclockwise because the turntable is going clockwise. The first thing that happens is it pushes the arm back, okay? Pushes the arm back, then it resets the flag, then it drops a record, and there's nothing that hit the flag, so now the arm is being indexed back to the 7-inch position, and then it sets the arm down here, right here. There's the set the arm down, and then the last thing is it comes back to the play position right there, where there's nothing engaging the turntable bottom gear, so it will stay here and play. This little lever here goes to the overarm, or the balance arm, and as long as there's nothing, as long as the arm is in the up position, there's records to be played, this will not be activated, and it will continue to play. Once this thing has pressure pulled on it, it drops the lever over on this side, like that, and then the next cycle through it will tell it to shut off. So pretty simple and easy to take out too. There's one screw here. Once you take the turntable off, there's one screw here, and a screw underneath on this end, and a couple of C-clips that hold on some obvious bars from the speed control knob and the reject knob. And it comes right out. You have to take the tone arm off, of course, with one knurled screw that's on top of here, and disconnect the wires and keep track of all your hardware. But it's very simple to get to. This is a common cause of problems right here, the trip out. This has to be very free to move. Oftentimes it sticks, and then it won't reject when it gets to the end of the record. The other thing is this bearing surface here can freeze because of the oil they use. It's very, tends to turn to super glue, and this can freeze here. What you can do is you can take this E-ring off, and then with a disposable cigarette lighter, you can heat this until the oil becomes fluid again. You can pull it off, and after you take the trip bar off, you can take this off and re-lubricate it, clean it, lubricate it, and put it back on again. But anyway, that's the only two things that really happen to these things, is they get sticky from age. And that's it for now.